Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Yoruba bean stew. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth cooking process. Then, I'll guide you through the initial preparation steps, from soaking the beans to chopping your vegetables. This foundational work is crucial for building the rich flavors of this classic West African meal. Let's get cooking. First, properly preparing your beans is key. Soaking them helps reduce cooking time and improves digestibility. After soaking, a good rinse removes any impurities. When boiling, aim for a tender texture that still holds its shape. This ensures your stew has a pleasant mouthfeel and the beans absorb the rich flavors of the sauce without becoming a paste. Patience here pays off.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation: after all that cooking, who wants to clean? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, perfect for keeping your kitchen spotless. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now let's build the heart of our stew, the flavor base. Start by gently sautéing your aromatic vegetables until they are soft and sweet. Next, stir in the tomato paste, allowing it to cook down and develop a rich, concentrated flavor. Finally, introduce your chosen spices, letting them bloom in the hot oil to release their full fragrance. This creates a robust foundation for your beans. With your beans cooked and your flavor base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add the tender beans to your aromatic stew, ensuring they are well coated. Then, introduce the vibrant palm oil, which is essential for that authentic Yoruba taste and beautiful color. Allow the stew to simmer slowly, letting all the ingredients harmonize into a truly delicious and comforting dish. Enjoy the aroma.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.